Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my topic is plant system. Plant system, you know about it. You have studied plant system like flowers, bud, leaf, stem, and root. In today's video, I will tell you about some more things like root system, shoot system, photosynthesis, and many more things. Transpiration. Do not forget to subscribe. If you like this video, then please subscribe. Let's start our topic. First example that you have learned about plants. You learned like this. Second is this. You learned only plant, and third is this. And number fourth example that you have learned in. Now I am going to start what I will tell you new about plant system. Let's start my today topic. Plant system. Plant have only two system. Example: root system and shoot system. The parts which are in soil, sand, in underground, that are root system, and that part which are not in underground, they are shoot system. Root system. Have you ever wondered why the whole plant does not blow away with the wind? Have you ever wondered why the whole plant does not blow in the wind? This is due to the roots of the plant. This not blown in the air because the root grip him at the soil, at the sand. The roots of a plant spread in the soil and anchor it. They absorb water and minerals from the soil by process of diffusion. There are many tiny root hairs on epidermis which help in the absorption. Vascular bundle including xylem and phloem is present in the center of roots. Cortex is present between epidermis and vascular bundle. There are two main types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. A good example of taproot is carrot. A taproot system has one main root called primary root. Known as secondary roots, the branches of secondary roots are called tertiary roots. Taproots are found in many plants, trees and shrubs, while fibrous roots are treated like structure that spread out from the base of the stem of a plant, example grasses and wheat. Shoot system. Shoot system has stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem gives support to the plant. It transports substances between the roots and aerial parts of the plant, including leaves, flowers, and fruits. Two main types of stem are herbaceous stem and woody stem. Plants with green and flexible stems are called herbaceous. Example: daisies, grass, and cereals. While plants with hard and strong stems are called woody plants. Example: trees and shrubs. In a stem, vascular bundles are arranged just beneath the epidermis. The vascular bundles are strong and provide support to the plant. Pith is present in the center for storage. Leaves. Leaf consist of two parts. Example: leaf blade and leaf stalk. The flat green portion of a leaf is called leaf blade. Each leaf has a central midrib and many veins. Midrib is extension of leaf stalk. The midrib and veins provide support to the leaf. They contain vascular bundles to transport substances to and from the leaves. The process of photosynthesis takes place in mesophyll of leaves. The outermost layer of a leaf is epidermis. There is a waterproof covering over epidermis called cuticle. Gases move in and out through small holes in the leaf epidermis called stomata. Surrounding each stoma is a pair of guard cells. The two guard cells work together to open and close the stomata. Stomata open during daytime and close at night time. Transportation is the movement of material from one place to another. The transport system of a plant consists of a network of tubes called xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. The xylem transports water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves. Through the stem, they have thick and strong walls which support the plant. Xylem is a dead tissue in trees. New xylem is made each year. forming rings in the tree trunk. Xylem forms wood. Phloem, the phloem transports food in the form of sugar solution from leaves to all other parts of the plant. Sugar solution can go up and down the phloem at the same time. Transpiration. The loss of water from the stomata in the leaf is called transpiration. As the water evaporates from the leaves, more is pulled up through the xylem to replace it. The main force which draws water up the plant is called transpiration, pull. When water loss is more than the water intake by a plant, it will wilt. Wilt means that it will dry, and it will it will dry, and it will destroy, and it will uh, not grow. The light, and it mostly happens in hot weather, dry and sunny day. The light intensity, temperature, humidity, wind and water supply will all affect the transpiration rate. Photosynthesis. Leaves and other parts of the plant are green because of chlorophyll 2. It is a green pigment that absorbs light energy and is present in the chloroplast of the plant cell. It enables a plant to make its own food by the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use light energy from the sun. Carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make glucose and oxygen. Carbon dioxide enters leaf through stomata and water comes from xylem to the leaves. The glucose produced is transported to all parts of the plant. Oxygen is also produced by photosynthesis. Plant cells use some of the oxygen for respiration. Extra oxygen moves out through stomata. Leaves at best photosynthesis sites. Leaf structure is best suited for the process of photosynthesis due to the following adaptations. Broad and flat shape to help absorption of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Thin to help diffusion of gases. Large air spaces for easy movement of gases. Large number of stomata for exchange of gases. Network of veins to supply water to the cells. Transparent epidermis to allow entry of light. Waxy cuticle to slow water loss. large number of chloroplasts in photosynthetic cells. Mineral for plant growing. Do you like to grow plants? Yes or no? Comment in the video. Growing healthy plants is not always easy. They require water, sunlight, air, and some minerals as well. Plants need nitrates to make proteins which help to form new cells and tissues. For photosynthesis, they needed magnesium to make chlorophyll. If you know about the plant system that I discuss in today's lecture, then comment yes or no. The part of plant I tell you is root system, shoot system. The flowers and whatever roots, blade, leaf. In simple words, I will say you that the parts of plant that are underground in the soil, they are root system. You know that root is in soil and underground. So this you can learn that. From that you can learn that root system is in and that the root is in soil, that whatever is in soil, root hair or everything, they are root system, and that are upper than soil, they are shoot system. And I tell you about photosynthesis and parts of a plant. And now I am going to tell you about, I will show you a diagram and tell you about that. From diagram you will understand well. So diagram is very important to tell you in simple. So I am going to start telling you from diagram. The diagram shows leaf blade, leaf, and many more parts. You studied, I think from 1 to 5 or 6. From 1 to 5 or 6, yeah. That flowers, parts of leaf, flower, not root system, fruit, stem, and root. And I am going to discuss about you that you will understand more about the plants. This is the diagram. You can see the first terminal bud. In the center of terminal bud, shoot, apical meristem is included, and leaf you can see, blade you can see. Blade is the green flat portion that is on the leaf, and the midrib is the extension of leaf stalk. You can see the upper side of you can see the shoot system, that they are above the ground and root is under. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and watch my all videos I uploaded. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and do not forget to comment my question.